What is up, guys? Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are on this beautiful planet. Guys, welcome to another episode of Straight TV, baby. What is up? What is happening? Couple good news. BlackRock ETF, the insiders say, BlackRock insiders say Bitcoin ETF is likely 6 months away. You know, Novogratz, this ball guy, right? Galaxy Digital CEO. That's what he said. Well, this is big. It's just a matter of time when it'll get approved. Okay, I personally think, whenever that news comes, I think this is when a big collapse will happen. Or, depending on when the news comes, okay? If the news comes right before the first quarter of 2024, end of this year, then I think we will crash. But if it comes somewhere between March, April, May, that time zone, then we will initiate a new bull run. Okay? Because I do expect a lot of coins to pump right now. No matter what happens in between this next 15 to 20 days, it's going to pump. Okay, a lot of altcoins are going to pump. How's everyone, man? How's everyone? No label, sup, brother? How are you? Guys, make sure to hit that like. Make sure to hit that like. So, another coin, another news. PayPal launched a stablecoin on Ethereum, and it's pegged by dollar. That's good. It's not algorithmic coin like, what's that coin? That Luna had a stable coin, right? Algorithmic. So PayPal is a big name, and them coming into crypto, that is big, right? That's a good thing. So slowly, steadily, what's going to happen with the mainstream, like BlackRock, the biggest, asset manager, if they talk about getting a Bitcoin ETF, PayPal's talking about getting a stable coin, eventually, people who are on the sidelines, the big money on sidelines, will come in. Well, talking about big money, what I came across while I was doing my research is this. Liechtenstein. Liechtenstein is a country in Europe. It's Europe's richest country, has no airport or trains, and an official 90-minute lunch break. Okay, why am I talking about Liechtenstein? Liechtenstein is a small country, but one of the richest. I think it is the richest country in Europe. The country is the world's richest country per capita, driven by 12.5 corporate tax rate, among the lowest in the continent, and the freewheeling incorporation rules, resulting in many holding companies establishing offices in the country's capital, Vaduz. Well, what it means, freewheeling incorporation rules, that means very lenient incorporation rules. So basically, this place is a safe haven for taxes. Big companies, rich guys. This is a tax haven for those people. And this country has its own crypto exchange, a regulated crypto exchange. It's called LCX. The crypto exchange itself is called Liechtenstein.com. Liechtenstein token. LCX is the token. Okay? And I feel a lot of Europeans, because LCX, Liechtenstein Exchange, is part of WEF, World Economic Forum. I believe they run the shadow government around the world. And there are a lot of big companies, politicians, they all come together in Davos and do this World Economic Forum. And they are pitching this exchange on their website. And this is one of the only partners. So I think the money from Europe, especially the money from Europe, would come on this exchange. Right now, the market cap of this exchange is only this token, LCX. Yesterday, when I looked at it, It was only $35 million. I think it pumped today. So from 35 million, it went to $40 million. Okay, LCX. So keep an eye. I believe this token, this market cap could easily be in billions. Not 1 billion, 2 billion. It could be in billions, okay? At least $4 to $5 billion. Because this is the only regulated exchange. Binance is not a regulated exchange. So hedge funds, venture capital, all that money, I believe, will flow into this. Because this is tied up with World Economic Forum. If you look at, let's see, hold on one second. I know I don't like World Economic Forum, but who cares, man? I follow the money. So LCX. Here, see? If you click on this, it's on the World Economic Forum, LCX, right? A blockchain bank for a new financial world. LCX goal is to become one of the world's first licensed and supervised blockchain banks, seamless blending traditional and crypto assets. Okay, so I believe this has all the ingredients, this exchange, because it's in a country which has tax haven. It's the size of a small state. It's a very small country. So yeah, the rules are very lenient for opening a company. So I believe a lot of rich people or companies would invest in this exchange or buy cryptos through this exchange so they can keep their money in this country and be away from their native countries. Anyways, man, how are you? Robert Richards, hey Shrey, how are you? Good. T-fuel burning is significantly increasing. Okay. I'll look up T-fuel. Zabur, hey Shrey, how are you, bro? Can you chart SHIB, please? Sure, in a moment. Guys, make sure to hit that like. All right, SHIB. Let's see what is pumping today so that we keep an eye on the markets, okay? So, Space and SN. I looked up this one. Aurora. I gave this to my Patreon just a few days ago. And it pumped 27% from the price that I gave. It was at the bottom. It was down 99.81% when I gave it to my Patreon. I believe that was the bottom. See, LCX had a nice bump today. Hold on one second. Yeah. Yeah, it's fine. Okay. Yeah. Bye. I like my new phone, man. It's so awesome. You can literally... Yeah, you can literally do a lot of things. Now I'll be able to chart on this. Fantastic. I love it. But anyways, let me put this way so I'm able to see you guys as well. This acts like a iPad for me. It's just perfect. Okay, so I see this pump, right? And look at this. This thing's gonna pump, bro. This thing's gonna pump. I'll leave some things for my Patreon, so I'm not gonna tell you the exact number, but just keep an eye on LCX. It'll stay in this channel like that. Okay. The next move will be, whenever that happens, it'll be vertical like this. Okay. It'll be vertical like this. Whenever that happens, it'll be vertical like that. It's going to be crazy. Let me give you the number, okay? I would say $1, between $1 to $1.30. That's the range I'm looking for. LCX. Whenever that pump happens, I don't know, it'll happen today, tomorrow, maybe another month. But whenever that happens, it'll be vertical like that. Nobody will get chance to get into LCX. It's going to explode. Charles, enjoying as usual. Good, man. Ned, BlackRock ETF launching will be the top 1-2 months extension the most. The time in between is when we have our bull run. Yes. That's what I think, man. That's what I think. So I believe whenever that news comes out, we sell before that. And I will know my tokens when they pump. When they reach a certain level, I will know to take profits. So the news usually comes after that. That, okay, now this day is launching. That's the time to sell. We will know. I'll keep you posted. But it's a good thing. It's a good thing. That means it's going to pump. It's going to pump. The market's going to pump. See, so many coins, man, are at the level where I feel they got to pump. Whatever dump, if at all, if that dump is going to happen, that's going to happen now with this week, or else it's done. We had long time going sideways, okay? People are frustrated. A lot of people are now focusing. So if they want people to focus, if they want people to come back to crypto, they have to dump or pump the market very soon. Very soon, okay? They can't keep on going sideways like this. This is crazy, But look at this, the craziness. If you see in this particular crypto, look at this, the sideways action being in this channel. Look at this craziness, bro. It's so frustrating. Look at this channel like that. This crypto has been in this channel since how long? How many days has passed since we are in this channel? 454 days. 454 days in this channel. And see how explosive it went up here. Many cryptos are going to do this, okay? You see how explosive the move was up. How many days it took? Look. It took just 7 days, okay? An explosive move like that will come for many cryptos. Like this was a 400% move. Imagine a 10x move or a 15x move would come, say, in 15 days, something pumps 15x. Some cryptos will pump 20x in 15 to 20 days, I feel. Whenever that happens, I'm not saying it's going to happen right now, but whenever that happens, for example, I'm giving an example of LCX. That's a 15 to 20x move coming for that crypto. When? A 15 to 20x move coming for this crypto. When? I cannot be pinpointing on timeline. Whenever that happens, it'll be quick. It'll be quick. SHIB. Okay, let me look at SHIB. SHIB. Shiba Inu. Well. about time Shiba should pump. Usually these meme coins initiate the run. They are the ones which pump first. But again, Shiba is a high cap, market cap crypto. So will it do this and come back down before pumping like that? Or will it do this? Go to this level right there and come back all the way back down for a retest and then start the bull run like that. Okay, that's the question. If it's possible Shiba can, if just wants to get excited, the excitement in crypto back, then it is possible it could pump to this level. That is almost 600% pump, between 580 to 600% pump. But if a weak ass pump is possible too, we can just go to these levels like that. Here, let me show you. Weak ass pump would be to this level. That is a pump of 150%, 160 to 150% pump, and then come back, fizzle back down in first quarter of 2024 before we start somewhere in May, June, a new run. May, June of 2024, start the new run of Shiba Inu. Okay, that's what I think. So it's possible either 150%, 160%, or it could be a 600%. I cannot, be sure about it. It depends on the market makers, man. But it's time. It's time for coins to pump. They cannot go sideways forever. They have to pump it. Free subs Ray. Around what month do you think the bull run starts in 2024? After the first quarter, bro. I am very bearish. Jan, Feb, March, April, I'm bearish. First quarter, I cannot be pinpoint exactly, but all the charts are leading towards a pump and a dump. A pump and a dump will happen. That is, no question about it. But the timing, I cannot be, sure about the timing. Whenever that dump happens in many cryptos, I will know that we're about to pump. Okay. When that dump is over, I'll know that dump is over. When the pump is over, I'll know the pump is over, and then we'll start to dump. So I'll be taking profits. I'll be taking profits of this run. We are in between the time here. Just imagine your crypto is Bitcoin. Think about your crypto. Bitcoin is BTC in the year 2019. Think of your crypto, whatever crypto you have, is right now somewhere around here, right in this zone, and you've been going sideways, and you're pulling your hair. Like, this is the phase we are in. Okay. This sideways cycle, that's where we are in. Once this phase is over, see how quickly it started to run? Right. And then there was downfall, right? So this is the first quarter. So if your crypto pumps, expect a dump. This whole cycle will happen. It will not happen exactly like that, but it'll happen. Right? So I expect a lot of cryptos to pump. Say, for example, Bitcoin pumped significantly right here. Look. Let's look at the fib levels. So Bitcoin came to 786, right? But not all the coins came to 786. Say, for example, Cardano. Let's look at Cardano. in that time frame, Cardano, look at the fib levels in Cardano. Cardano barely came to 382. Barely came and kissed 382. And so many coins are going to do this. They are going to go up, come back down, do something like this. Okay? So the goal is to sell, but depending on what coin you hold, how far will it go, then it came back down. So the goal is to sell your crypto somewhere at the top, right? And just wait for a few months. So all the altcoins, I feel, are in this range. Many altcoins are in this range, and they're about to pump. And our goal is to sell. Goal is to sell, take profits, wait for the dump. I would not wait all this bottom. We might many coins will just dump to this level and go up, fool you, right? So yeah, you have to be careful. That's why you watch Straight TV, baby. Yeah, man. This is good insight. Yeah, man. I've been following this like a hawk, bro. Like a hawk. I want to take advantage of this run that we are going to get. But depending on what coin you hold, bro, you have to see how far that coin is going to go. Every coin will pump differently, right? Some coin, which is like bashed down really bad, could pump 15x, 20x. Okay. Like some coin which is like only 94% down will pump, say, 200%, 300%, maybe 500%, right? Depending on how low it has gone. Not all coins will pump equally. The level of pump will be different for different coin. You have to be lucky. It's no technical analyst. I wouldn't lie about it. Like if I'm expecting certain levels for my coin, I can be right, say 80% time. Like I'm looking at my coin and I'll be like, okay, this is level. But that 20% I can fuck up. I can keep on waiting and that coin just pumps, say 500%. I'm expecting it to pump, say 15x. And it only pumps 500% and it stops. And then it starts to go back down. Then I'm fucked. Then I won't be able to take profits. But the coins that I'm looking at, I have certain targets and I believe they will pump to that level. And I'll be taking profits during that time. We will see. I hope there's a nightmare scenario where these coins, they right now what they are doing is, see, let me show you. Many coins are doing this. What Bitcoin did in the other cycle. This is the cycle many coins are doing. Like this. See this? This particular one went up, went down, and sideways action. Boring. Imagine how boring this must have been, right? So look at this and look at what coin should I say? Let's look at SLP, I think. The same kind of pattern, but it's going downwards. You see this? The sideways action like that. Bitcoin did something similar, but went sideways like that. Right? So same pattern. It's a boring phase, but it is just gearing up. Look, it's just gearing up to go up, come back down, and it wouldn't be exactly following the same pattern, but you know what I mean, right? in this scenario, I feel, where did he go? Right here. I believe it's going to pump and then dump. It's going to pump. It's going to pump and have another dump like that. You know, this is where I'll be taking profits right there. If I'm lucky, you know, it pumps to my target. My target is between 2 to 3 cents. If uber lucky, then it might go to 5 cents, between 5 to 8 cents. Yeah, I have been bored just like you, man. You know, it's very tough for me to cultivate interest and keep things interesting, but things are boring. You know, there's no other way to look at it. So that's why I'm just having fun, going on dates and doing things. But at the same time, I want to make sure that I don't lose track of what our purpose is. Our purpose is to be alert. Okay, that's what they want. They don't want us to look at it and slide it, you know, sneaky Ricky. They want to do sneaky Ricky on us. Once we are not looking, you won't even realize they start creeping up, you know, some cryptos. Let's look at T-Fuel. It's been a while I haven't looked at T-Fuel. Okay, you see, I made this chart. I think it was here when I made this chart, 0.04. So if it has to dump, if this thing has to dump, then it has to dump right now and get done with it, okay? Can't carry on the same bullshit for a long time. Thing can't keep on going, okay? Can't keep going. It has to stop. If it has to dump, it has to dump right away, right now. Enough of sideways. That's it. I think something drastic happens right now, goes like that, spends some time, and starts its run. Or starts its run from here onwards, goes up. Okay? But this sideways action is done. I think the sideways action is done. Either we dump many cryptos which have this last dump left. Could dump real quick. It'll be a wick, man. It'll be a wick. It'll be a flash crash. A wick that goes down to this level and then goes back up. If at all. Or else it'll just pump from here like that. Okay? But something real quick's gotta happen. Free. I was thinking the same thing earlier this week. Sneaky they are. Yeah, man. Because people lose interest. It's called time capitulation. Right now, whatever's happening, this cycle that I showed you is called time capitulation. Bitcoin price. Bitcoin, found its bottom right here. The price capitulation happened right here. The final capitulation happened right here. This is the final capitulation, right? After that, they pump you up, get you excited, dump, pump, dump, sideways, pump, and you're finally excited. They're like, oh man, finally the bull run is on, brother. Bull run is on. And they dump you back down. This is to break your morale. Just to break your morale. You're already down right here. You're depressed. A little hope comes in, goes up, comes back down. goes up, comes back down. You're like, fuck this joint. Fuck crypto. Fuck crypto YouTubers. Fuck everybody else. Fuck my life. And when enough people get out of crypto, because they have to pay their bills. A lot of people have stopped working or doing this full time, and all the bills accumulate, right? And they need money. They have money stuck in crypto, and they have these plans that I'm going to do my kitchen, I'm going to do this, I'm going to get a car, or I'm going to start a business, whatever, right? And majority of people don't make good financial decisions, right? Or else everyone will be a multimillionaire. So people take loans, right, to get into crypto. They'll be like, okay, I'll max out my credit card, buy this crypto. Once it pumps, I'll sell it. You know, things, it's a game, right? So majority of them would sell right here. And then what happens? Boom. Pump. Right now, people have lost interest, man, in crypto. Totally lost interest. Nobody wants to look or hear anything about crypto. But we are keeping an eye, like a hawk eye, on crypto. So these tokens that I mentioned, Aurora and LCX, I feel, you know, keep an eye, man. Those look dangerous. They can pump. Let's look at SN. What is SN? I don't see it here. Space what? Space N. Man, this. Why don't we come across tokens like these, man? Yeah, look at the pump. Everything was dumping, and this thing's been pumping all this time. Sneaky. So this is a 2023 token. Just launched. Pumped 200% today. 55 million. Which exchanges? This is on gate.io. That's it. Only on one exchange. Space N. I don't know what this is, but 66 cents. This is not right. Is that? It probably pumped from here to $1 something, right? Because it was accumulating all these days, and then there's just probably pumped to $1 something, $1.38. Right. Well, forget about it. It's only on one exchange. I wouldn't buy it if it was just on one exchange. Something else I came across was Mirror Protocol. Mirror Protocol, MIR. It's down. Mirror Protocol is down 99.98%. This thing, Mirror Protocol, down, look at this, from $12 right now, sitting at 2 cents, 99.82%. I was looking at on Kraken, the wick went down and it almost went to zero. The wick went down like this on Kraken, like that. A long wick like that. Let me see if you can, if I can show you. See? Look at that wick. That wick went down to 0.003. Right, so the total, if it was at $12, if the price was $12, from $12 to this level is down 99.98%. The market cap is about $2 million. Mirror protocol. I don't know anything about the protocol, but I was just looking at it's available on so many exchanges. Mirror protocol. See, these are the number of exchanges it's available on. So on KuCoin, on Coinbase, Kraken. Why is it not showing on Coinbase? It's available on Coinbase. I think it's available on Coinbase. Why is it not showing here? See, Mirror Protocol trade. It says $1.9 million market cap. It's available on Coinbase. Probably just on the wallet. Maybe they delisted it. Comic Joseph. Hi, Shrey. Nice to see you. God bless you, my brother. God bless you too, brother. How are you? How are you? You enjoying the summer? What's your am I following you? Are you very active on Instagram, bro? I post every now and then some of my videos, you know what I'm doing. I don't post much, but I can't post what I'm doing because it wouldn't be nice. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? Right. So I post what I can. But yeah, I've been having fun, man. I've been having fun. What else? What do you want me to look? I'll stay here for another, 30, 40 minutes. Let me know. What do you want to know? Let's do, Q&A. Or just shoot shit, man. No big deal. I wish we could, like Instagram, I could take you live on YouTube. That'll be fantastic, that we could have one-on-one conversation here. It would be great. But sooner or later, it'll happen. No label. Can you check Unification Fund? UNI. Unification Fund. Okay, let's see. Is that it? Unification? Oh, it's called the fund. Okay. Yeah, that's the one. Well, brother. This looks good to me. It looks very good to me. Look at this. What it did was... came back down for a retest, brother. Of, got out of this channel. Got out of this channel and came back for a retest. This needs to hold this level. Right, and went up. I think it's going to have a beautiful cycle, brother. I personally think it's going to have a very good cycle. This unification, whatever it is. That's where it's going. I would. Oh man, a 10x pump. You could be looking at a 10x pump, bro. You know, this could do a 10x and then slow down. You know, it could do something like this, right? And then go sideways, 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 and then pump back up again in 2025, right? So I would take some profits between $4 to $5. It could $4 to $5 would be where, you know, yeah, I would say, yeah, right at $4 between $4 to $6. I think the next move should be, and then it would go sideways from there. But yeah, man, the chart looks beautiful, beautiful. This is gonna have a long cycle, you know, like which ends in 2025. The top somewhere here in 2025, and then comes back down and does the thing, you know. But yeah, this will be a good place to get in. It's just about to pump, bro. This thing's, once it breaks this thing, it's not gonna stop. It's gonna go up to between $4 to $6, $4 to $6, and this is when it'll slow down. $4 to $6. Yes, I like it. Good catch. Elon is another sleeper. Sang, Epic Cash. Epic Cash is right at the level that we were expecting. That thing's about to boom too, brother. It was, I told you in last time, right? When it was at the top, I said that it would dump to between 36 to 30 cents. And it did. So this is just to scare you. This move right here is just to scare you. It's just to scare you. That thing's gonna pump, bro. That thing's gonna pump. It's just to scare traders. If you look at my Epic Cash video, I've mentioned that there could be a scare tactic. You know, that we are going down. Oh my God, what happened? No, it's just to scare you. Like, this thing went below this level, so everyone's scared. Like, you know, batshit scared. I was like, what is happening to my Epic Cash? But then it bounces back up, you know, at this, and then starts its run. Okay? Do not worry. I wouldn't worry about this, you know? I wouldn't worry about it. Just, it's time to accumulate, man. Time to accumulate. This is a strong region. Just coming back for a retest, wasting time, and, you know, scaring you. This is a very, very strong resistance. It's not going to go. This is the low. I think it's not going to be able to pass this low. It'll stop here, right? And then bounce back up. Bounce back up. Yeah, the next, you know, between $10 to $12 would be the next high. And it's going to go vertical. Whenever that happens, it's going to go vertical. How much time it's going to spend? I can't say that. How long it's going to spend time here. Once it comes back up here, how long it's going to waste time here before pumping like that? Right? I don't know. It could be a one-day vertical pump to $12, right? But how long it's going to waste time here, I cannot say. Will it be a gradual climb up or sudden? That I don't know. Will that be a gradual pump like that? I don't know. So that time will tell. But I think this is a great time to get some Epic Cash. I think it's, yeah, man, it went to 30 cents, 32 cents, right? Fantastic, fantastic. Great, great, great buy. Epic Cash. So dreamy music, right? Like I've taken ecstasy and I'm like going. Amit Mahajan. Hi, Shrey. How are you, brother? Can you chart Brock? B-R-O-C-K. Brock. Okay. Brock Inu? Is that it? There's no chart for Brock, brother. Is that Brock? Is that it? Man, looks like they did a rug pull on you, huh? Sorry, brother. If you are in it, I'm sorry. They rug pulled you. This is bloody brick thing, man. It's been pumping. I think, is that a brick? Oh man, that on bloody hell, that's on Kraken. Yeah, that's on Kraken. I can't believe this was on Kraken. Damn it. Probably got launched a while ago. Let's see. Brick. How much did it pump? %375%. Well, let's keep an eye on Brick. What's the market cap? $23 million. Fortnite. What is this? Fortnite bricks. So is it related to that game, that video game? Fortnite? Reddit community tokens, moons, and bricks soar. What is bricks? Bricks are ERC20 tokens given as rewards for an individual contribution to Fortnite, either via posts or comments. They can be freely transferred, tipped, and spent in Fortnite. Oh, wow. Bricks are distributed monthly using Reddit Karma as basis of contributions. What the fuck is this, man? It's only $23 million. Because Fortnite is a huge game. Huge. We discovered something new today. And it's related to Reddit and Fortnite both. Wow. Why don't they have big? Okay, here. It's a Reddit community. Okay. Man, this looks interesting to me. Only $23 million market cap. That's nothing. And look at this chart. I hope this is it. Or do they have a better chart somewhere else?
Bitch, please call me, I don't wanna win the war. Bitch, please call me, I don't wanna win the war.
Yeah, that's it, man. I think not many exchanges have this token. It's the most important one is Kraken. Kraken is an exchange from United States. That is crazy that is on Kraken. All these are just swaps. Should I get into it? Let's see the chart again. I like it, man. I like it. Again, but this is an hourly chart.
Every time I need to go, every time I need to know, bitch, please call me now. I don't wanna win the war, win the war, win the war, win the war, win the war.
Bitch, please call me now. I don't wanna win the war.
Dude, if this breaks this thing's gonna go to the moon. A huge bump might come for bricks. If it's able to break this, boy. That thing's gonna go to the moon. Ugh. Well, at least we came to know about something new today. Fortnite bricks. Straight TV, baby. Yeah, man. Brian, how are you? Finally caught you live. Let's get this dump over with and then blast off. Yeah, man. Bored.
Every time I need to know, bitch, please call me now. I don't wanna win the war, win the war, win the war, win the war, win the war.
Bitch, please call me now. I don't wanna win the war.
Can you check Luna Classic? It's pumping finally now. Okay, Luna. It doesn't show it's pumping here. What's the date today? 9th of August? Wish Coinbase lists this token back up again, man. This pisses me off. I have wrapped Luna on Coinbase. These assholes won't list it back. Where is it pumping, bro? It's not pumping. Come on. It's not pumping. It would. Soon. You saw that triangle it's making, right? It's gonna pump. Look at this. You know. See the triangle? Yeah, it's gonna pump from here onwards. I think it's gonna pump. Look at that. Perfect triangle. Can't waste too much time here now. That's it, man. The time for wasting and going sideways is done. We could do this like that and then boom, blast off. Okay? No more. Lower time frames. Well, lower time frames. I checked, brother. You know, you don't call this pump. Lower time frames, what? An hour? 1%, 2% pump. Okay. Yeah, it hasn't pumped. You don't call this a pump. what is dumping? Let's see. We found something new today. Only $23 million market cap. This is on Kraken. Fortnite bricks. I like the word Fortnite. It's a huge game, man. Huge. And something related to Reddit and Fortnite, that's big. What is that Fidu thing? Fidu. Let's see Fidu. What is Fidu? Yeah, it's not on any exchange. Look at that pump though, bro. Oh, in 1 hour. Look at that green candles. Fuck this shit. Let's try to find something that's track ordinals. This is on ordinals is on built on Bitcoin, right? Ordinals. So let's see how is track. This the ordi thing? Ordinals? Yeah. Dumped. How much? 85%? Yeah. Well, once it's done doing this, I think it would stop. The dump would stop here like that. And then it could possibly make a new all-time high like that, to 618. No, 2618. No. $49. Yeah. That's where I would look at here, between 40 to this range right here. 48.50. Yeah. That's a 7x, 8x pump. It's possible if it's able to hold ordi, if it's able to hold this level right here. Stable, does not dip lower than this, then there's a chance ordi can go between 40 to $50, and then it'll slow down and go sideways. Here it'd be like going sideways, like that. When the market finally pumps, it's going to be like 10-20 more than when Dogecoin was going nuts a couple of years ago. Yeah, man. It's going to be crazy, and it'll happen fast. Whenever that will happen, it'll happen fast. A lot of people think that they will have time to get in. You will not get time to get in, man. Because you see, these cryptos are like spring. You press the spring harder and for a longer period of time, and just leave it suddenly. It's like a slingshot, man. You pull it, and then the further it'll go, the higher it's gonna go, the faster it's gonna go. It's just many cryptos will just go vertical, bro. Vertical. And people will be priced out. Priced out. So, yeah, it's very important to be in the game. Being in the game right now, very important. Very important. Guys, nothing on the channel is a financial advice, just my opinion. I am some guy on the internet who loves crypto and my crypto bros. Who is new here? Who's new here? Anybody new? I'm giving kisses. All new people. Cadillac Crypto. What's good, Shrey? My Epic is getting hammered on. Needed to pump. It'll pump, bro. It's at the bottom. I just did Epic Cash today. I just a few minutes ago we did Epic Cash. So just go and look at it. Maybe you just have to rewind probably 10-15 minutes. And I did a very good section for Epic Cash. Yeah, it's just to scare you, man. It's just to scare you. If you look at my past video, that's what it showed. It's gonna dump to that level, and we'll be good. We'll be good. It's at the bottom right now. Good price, man. Epic Cash, awesome price. Awesome price. Have they listed on a different exchange? Let me see. This needs to be listed on different exchanges, bro. They need to be listed on different exchanges. If you want liquidity, they need to be, pushing people on a different exchange. But I know how it works usually. Once they go on a different exchange, that's the time to sell. The time to buy is when you buy. It's awesome. $5 million market cap. That's ridiculous for Epic Cash. Yeah, this thing's gonna do well. No question about it. Only $21 million. Only 21 million supply, just like Bitcoin. Imagine Bitcoin was 31 cents. It was at 31 cents at some point. So yeah, man, Epic Cash will do really well. I think $1.20 easy. Yeah. What I was looking at, what did I say? Not dollar. It was $10, 10 or $11. I said for Epic Cash. Yeah, I would say between $8 to $10. $8 to $10 is coming for Epic Cash soon. This thing is just scaring you, man. Nothing else. Just scaring you. Just scare tactics. Bullshit. It's bullshit. Last 45 days or so, plus halving. Yeah, man. I'm not worried about it. This isn't gonna pump. It's gonna pump good. Okay, man. It's almost an hour. You want me to stay or leave? What do you want me to do? Who else is here? Never writes a comment or says something and sits back and just looks at the video. Samuel Sainz, Shrey BCH 3-month chart looks like Wyckoff reaccumulation in the spring phase. Well, BCH, we know what was going on with BCH, right? We already know. Here, BCH, I still think there's a possibility we could dump to between $200 to $180. A dump like that is possible before the pump. We could dump, like that to that level, and then boom, come back up to this $300 level before we dump back down again. Like that pump and the final dump to 150, I think. That's how I think it's gonna go. All-nighter booms. All-nighter? I need some wine, bro. To do an all-nighter, I need some wine. Since I stopped smoking cigarettes, I've been drinking a lot of liquor and wine and all that stuff. It's just from one addiction to another. But it's very tough for me to leave cigarettes. I left cigarettes almost 6-7 years ago. But then I started vaping, and it was very, very tough for me. This is the 4th month? Yeah, I think 4th month that I haven't vaped. And it still gets me sometimes, especially, yeah, man. I feel like I'm fidgety. You know, I want to do something while I'm on a computer, do something, you know, smoke, like that. So it just, yeah, it's tough. Any thoughts on XRP? Going to $1, brother. Going to $1. XRP. There are two ways XRP is gonna go, okay? Just look at Bitcoin weekly and XRP weekly here, and you'll see the similarities, how similar they look right now. Imagine this was not there. Think about this. Okay, look at this. Look at this.
You're not allowed to spend my time. That is what you came for.
See the similarity? I'm just worried about this. If you're not able to break this, you know, then this thing can, you know, one more time dip like this, okay? Like that. Boom. You could get that, okay? So it's possible before it pumps one more time. Bloody hell, this is a monthly. That's why I'm not able to draw properly. But something like this, you know, could happen. Okay, so be mentally prepared for something like this. Could possibly happen, just like the way Bitcoin did, like that. Look at this. This is a big resistance coming from the top. It'll be tough for XRP to break this. If it breaks this, next level up is $1.20, between $1 to $1.20. That will be the next level up. If we break this, then I would get really bullish, you know. Boom, $1.20, come back down for a retest to this level, and then straight short to $3.40. Okay, that's how I think it's gonna work, and this is where it's gonna spend a lot of time. $3.40 is gonna spend a lot of time, come back for a retest here to a you know, what is this, $1.70, $1.30, before heading to $7 to $8. What's up, Shrey? Shipping, SHPING. Charles, any thoughts on XRP? SHPING. Look, bro, I can easily make this out. You know, it has a beautiful run, but how high it's gonna go in the next run? So this could go to 382 like that. Could go to 382 because right now it's not the time for the bull run, right? So it could go to 382 or 6185. How high it's gonna go, I don't know. I can't say, but I think it might come closer to 382 and come back down, go back up, come back down before it's ready for its run up. How high it's gonna go next level up, I would say I would take some profits right here, shipping here, because right here it's possible it could go to 0.03 before getting dumped here, you know, like that, coming back down. So yeah, I would take some profits at 0.0367 or 0.04 whenever that happens, but it has still a lot of time to waste before the real bull run, before the, you know, good gains come for shipping. So I would say 15 to 16x. Yeah, 15 to 16x is possible for this coin. I wouldn't go more than that because many cryptos will never, you know, do an all-time high or pass. I would say 90% cryptos will never see its all-time high again. So whichever new cryptos which launched, right? I would say 80% would not reach its all-time high. So if it gets closer to the all-time high, I would take some profits. Sean Young, Straight TV, baby. Yeah, man. Sure, brother. Sure. Caspa is the only one that did a great pump, bro. Look at that. I just told you, right? It's time for Caspa to dump. That's it. Caspa pump is over. If you're lucky, you might get a wick 2.06, but I think the, you know, pump is over. Might come back down to this level right here. Between this level to this level right here, it might dump. Okay, before pumping higher. You were late about what? Caspa? Yeah, man, don't buy the top. Yeah, this is the only crypto which I feel did really well in this run. On TradingView and other places, you don't see this full chart. You see Caspa, if I do Caspa, they'll give you a half-ass chart. No, they give you a full chart. Yeah, that's good. Here, at least they gave you a good chart here. Yeah, bro, it's over. Close to over, okay? I'm gonna go relax mode. Are you guys able to hear me? Free, what's happening, brother? If I'm this far, are you able to hear me? That's my question. Let me know if you're able to hear me clearly from this level. Kelsey, how are you, brother? I just want to lay down, man, you know, and work from here. Stream, my guy, loving these long streams. Ned, yeah, man, I like it too. I like it too. Sean Young, hell yeah, bro, the tsunami is coming. I agree, it's coming. Not very far, man. It's just a waiting game. It's a waiting game. Just, we have to keep some patience, that's all. So that we don't fuck up. A lot of people are gonna fuck up. A lot of people are gonna fuck up. What's up with Bitcoin? Let's see Bitcoin. I feel nothing's going to happen to Bitcoin until we hit $35,000. $35,000 is my target for Bitcoin. That's where 618 comes to. Yeah, $35,000. This is where I would get really cautious right here, brother. 35 to 34.7 to 35. How long it's gonna take to get there, I don't know, man. It could be a one-day candle. It could take a few days. I don't know how it's gonna go reach there, but that's my target. Between 34 to 35.7. That's the target for Bitcoin. You know, it could be a crazy one-day candle. That is possible, okay? It's possible you get just, you know, one-day candle like that. That'll be ridiculous, right? Like, people would go berserk if that happens. Imagine a one-day candle of 20%. 20% candle. That'll be crazy. $30,000 to $35,000. Yeah. Possible. But the next move, when that happens, it'll be aggressive. Might not be one day, but it'll be just few days. Like the way it happened here. See how this move was aggressive? It just took few days to get up here, right? 8 days. How this move was. Look at this. Went vertical right there. Didn't give anyone chance like that, right? So same thing could happen here. Go vertical like that. But the question is, are we going to dump a little, like dump to 27.5, 27.5, 27.3 before we go up? Okay, that I can't figure out now, because yeah, that I can't figure. But we are going to 35. That is my conviction is really high for $35,000.
Just let it go, move along. That's how it's got to be. Waking slowly.
Bitcoin 200K in December 2024? Possible. Shrey, in your opinion, why does the majority of crypto, mostly BTC maxes, have this intense hate for BCH. I don't give a fuck, man. You know, what people think or do. I just look at the chart, bro. Just look at the chart, nothing else. Do not focus on people. Do not focus on news. Don't focus on anything. Just only charts. BCH is going to have one of the best cycles in 2024, 2025. No one can stop BCH, okay? Bitcoin Cash is going to be amazing, amazing. A top-notch crypto. They have chosen, the market makers, people who rule this world, have chosen Bitcoin Cash for daily activity, like you going to grocery, buying stuff and doing that. You will have a Bitcoin Cash symbol in every grocery store. Mark my words. Next 5 to 7 years, you will have Bitcoin Cash symbol outside every grocery store. Bitcoin Cash is the chosen one, bro. It doesn't matter, you know. When the time comes to sell, the news and, you know, it'll be so bullish. You'll be like, you know, why would I sell this precious thing? But you have to have a heavy heart and press that sell button when the time comes, right? Because I think you'll be able to buy a lot lower, right? So, yeah, I'm going to trade. Even if I know that this is the chosen one, I'm going to trade. You have just one opportunity. We'll get this one opportunity where it's going to pump really nice. You know, we'll get good gains, and then it's going to dump. A massive dump will come for Bitcoin Cash. You know, you accumulate. You know, after that, I'm never going to sell that Bitcoin Cash ever. That is for my retirement, that I'm going to grow old on Bitcoin Cash. The only time I'm going to trade Bitcoin Cash is in this cycle. 2024, 2025, whenever the top comes, you know, I'm going to sell my Bitcoin Cash and then just wait for it to drop. Once it drops to my level, I buy, and after that I never sell. That's the goal for Bitcoin Cash. I would never sell after that. You know, that's it. That's for me spending money if I'm abroad, if I'm traveling anywhere, doing anything. I would be converting whatever I earn after that into Bitcoin Cash. Once the dump happens, once the pump happens in 2024 and 2025, after that, whatever the dump happens, after that, all my fiat will do DCA in Bitcoin Cash. After that, I would never sell my Bitcoin Cash. I would just, you know, when I buy in 2026 or 2027, when I buy my Bitcoin Cash really at the bottom, after that, until, you know, as long as I live, I'm going to DCA. Whatever money I make in dollars or in other currencies, I'll DCA in Bitcoin Cash. Because, you know, dollar or any other currency will depreciate in value, will devalue. On the other hand, Bitcoin Cash values, you know, it'll be like a stock market. It'll be gradually going up. You won't see these crazy ups and downs. It'll be gradual climb up after that, gradual. It'll be amazing, man. It'll be amazing. So, yeah, all the trading, all that money making is just the small window we have where, you know, especially for Bitcoin Cash. Ned SLP showing some impulse finally. Yeah, man. Samuel, when it'll pump, everyone salutes the rising star, bro. Think about it. Every hedge fund, if you look at Google Finance, Yahoo Finance, or any other places, they will show these 4 cryptos: Bitcoin, Ethereum, Bitcoin Cash, and Ethereum Classic, or maybe Litecoin, right? So they have chosen these cryptos, man. Long live crypto. Long live crypto. Brian. Yeah, SLP is showing some signs. But, you know, look, there's always a chance for it to go back down one more time, okay? But am I trading? I would not touch my SLP. I would not touch or fuck with my SLP at all right now. Even if I know there's a chance for it to dump. Because this triangle is about to end. And when it's about to end, usually it acts aggressive in either direction. When I say aggressive in either direction, is like a dump aggressively or pump aggressively. So either this is gonna dump aggressively and then wait a few days here like that, and then the pump will start, or it pumps right from here, have a massive pump, get out of this channel, break this channel, have a long wick, and then come back down to visit this channel before the final, blow off top. So yeah, man, I'm not messing with my crypto right now. You just, chill. And if you're not able to handle the stress right now, I would just say enjoy the summer, man. Don't look at the crypto. Don't look at the prices or anything. This is I have a YouTube channel, and this is what I love to do. That's why I'm here every day. But or else, just hold, man. Just go on a vacation, do something. Forget about it for 30, 40 days, and you will see. You'll see the gains. SLP is a little monster. Keep it simple. Trust the process. Yeah, man. Free SLP or Jasmy might be my next buy, but I want to keep DCAing in Elon. Okay. What's happening with Elon? I'm not super bullish on Elon right now. I'll get bullish on Elon once it pops and then it drops. This is the level for me for Elon. Whenever it pops to this level, we have one more drop left for Elon, and then I get uber bullish on Elon. Pop and drop. Levels are right here. Okay, I'll give you levels for Elon. And there are too many zeros. I hope you're able to see this. Can't see it. Can you see it? 0.00003800 to 0.00004800. Have some wine, man. I want to have some wine. There's no alcohol left. It's a good thing. Trying to find something good. By the way, keep an eye on there's this another crypto that I like. Is what is it called? Forgot the name, damn it. Zen or what? XEN. This thing's gonna pump like a motherfucker. You watch. XCN. Mark my words, man. XEN's gonna do really well. XEN 100x, bro. 100x. This crypto will do 100x. XEN. Okay, 100x. 100x crypto. If you're looking for 100x crypto, this is it, baby. This is it. Waste some time here. You know, it'll be like this. You know? Like this. Waste some time here. Before it pumps like that. You know? Boom. You'll spend a lot of time here. Like this here. But a pump to this level is still very good from where it is right now. A pump to this level, it's like 20x, you know, 25x pump, bro. That's a very good pump. Very good pump. 20 to 25x pump is a good pump. Talking about 100x, but the 100x will come, but it'll take time. Once it reaches this level, it's gonna go sideways because it'll be in this channel. It'll be in this channel. Like that. Okay. XCN. This crypto, I think KuCoin has this one now. It wasn't there on KuCoin before. So the good thing is it's available on KuCoin. Maybe not. Oh, it's there, right? It's there on KuCoin. See, so many exchanges it got listed on. That's what I like, man. I like it. Imagine this is not on Binance or Coinbase. And the developer is a, I think, Google developer. One of the Google developers. I just like the chart. What are the best nations to move to after the West collapse? I think Dubai is awesome, brother. But, you know, India, Russia. I personally love Russia and India. I love India and Russia because, you know, India is where I was born and I have a lot of friends. I have a lot of relatives because India demographics is the youngest population in the world. The highest, youngest population in the world is in India right now. Between the ages of 18 to 35. Highest population. So the demographics, they're young people and they're hungry, man. They're hungry and they're educated. So, you know, money's gonna go where people are, right? Money always flows in the people's direction. So a lot of money from the West is going to flow into India. What they will do is they will increase their standard of living by giving them high salary, high wages, right, initially, so that they're able to, you know, and then the movies and the music and the media is going to push them. Oh, you need to buy the big car, you need to buy the AC, you need to buy this, you know, fancy shit, right? Like what they did to the West. So what they did to the West in 1950s, right? Between 1950 to 1980s, the phase came for prosperity for United States. That was the best time to live in America. Between 1950 to 1980, if you were in America, you did really good. Life was good because a house you could buy for $10,000 and if you're making $600 a month, you can buy a decent house, 3-bedroom house for $10,000, right? That's achievable. And one person making money, wife home with 2 kids. You can still have a car and have a good life. Now that $10,000 house is worth $250,000 to $300,000. but the salaries, instead of $600 now, an average person makes $35,000 a year. So that is about, I would say a few thousand a month. So it's crazy. But I feel that's what's going to happen to India. The standard of living is going to come up. People will feel that they're making money. Their standard of living has gone up. But then, it'll happen for the next 10, 20 years, prosperity. And then enslavement happens after that. Then they'll be enslaved like the American people, like the way they work here between 10 to 12 hours. They have to have 2 jobs. All that stuff, will happen in India. But for the next, 10 to 20 years, it'll be a very good time to live in India. Prosperity, in each and every way. And the thing is, India is a very underdeveloped country. So anything that comes to India now will be brand new, because United States have really old infrastructure, right? 100 years old infrastructure, whereas India, everything is being built right now. So whatever is being built is new, brand new technology, everything new, right? So yeah, it's going to be interesting. So buying land in India is my first priority. What's happening, Shrey? Do you think LCX is ready to turn around? I think so, brother. I think so. Shrey, can you check track, please? Sean, India is getting known for smart people who can make money. There's a lot of Indian CEO people now in America. Yeah, man. Google CEO is Indian. Microsoft, Indian. I think there was a point where Pepsi CEO was Indian. A lot of tech companies, they're Indian people. But again, they're big on IT. So, yeah, it's going to be interesting. Next, I think it'll be a commodity cycle. Next 20 years, 25 years, it'll be a commodity cycle. So when I say commodity cycle, India right now, even after it's a service sector is big right now in India. When I say IT and service sector is big, still right now it's 50% of the money comes from agriculture, which is commodity. So it's going to be big, man. Food prices in the future are going to be crazy all around the world. And India cannot sustain expensive food prices. So India has to have cheaper food prices or there'll be revolution, right? So food in the United States, it'll be hyperinflation. By 2030, it'll be hyperinflation. There will be a time when all the prices go down. It'll be deflationary for about a year and a half. It'll feel good, but it'll be just for a short period of time. But after that, inflation starts creeping up. 8-9% inflation, people went crazy. Imagine an inflation environment where it's 30%, 40% inflation. It'll be crazy. So those times will be a good time to move to somewhere in East. Either it could be Philippines, Indonesia, Thailand, Bali, or India, because you can buy a nice flat around the beach for $150,000, $200,000, and live a comfortable life, because food will never be as expensive as it'll be in America, because Indian population is huge Indian population, 1.7 billion people. If food prices go up there, people will not be able to eat. When people are not able to eat, what happens? Revolution. And the government will never let that happen. Right now, India stopped export of wheat, right? India stopped export of rice because they want to feed their nation. They don't want to have, if the food prices go up, it's crazy, man. The government, any sort of government, even the best government will be toppled if the food prices go up. So that's what they're trying to do, keep the food prices low. And I think it'll be low as compared to the world. Compared to the United States, it'll be always low for the next 20, 30 years. So, once you have your property paid off, if you find something that you can work from home, It's just a matter of time that you just have to spend money on food, right? And a little bit of travel here and there. That's it. You can live a comfortable life, you know? Especially if you are a white person. Man, you get the white privilege. The kind of white privilege you get in India is nowhere in the world, man. Indian people love you, okay? They love you. You will feel, once a white person goes to India, and if they're open to hospitality and not afraid of Indian people, man, they will treat you so nice, so nice. You will never come back. You will doubt that how come this person's so nice to me. You will doubt how come this person's so nice to me, because something like that you would have never experienced in your life. Really, go visit India, go to one of these states, and make local people friends, make local guys friend, befriend them and see what happens. You will never come back to United States. The amount of love and happiness, loyalty that you will get from your friends, guy friends, it's just crazy, bro. Ned, does India have their own Dubai type of city? No, they are building smart cities. So right now, as we speak, they're building smart cities. They're building a bullet train, a fast train. Just like the way they have a magnet train in China, the fastest train in China. Japan invested in India. Now they're building a bullet train. Hold on, let me see if I'm able to find this. August 2026, the work will be done for the bullet train. It'll be one of the fastest train, man. 508 kilometers. Look at this. Big things are happening, bro. Big things are happening in India. You don't have a bullet train in America, and they're making bullet train. There will be a route, underground train, the UAE wants a underwater bullet train to India. So they're trying to build right now a bullet train under the water, okay? Coming from Dubai to India. So it'll take only 2 hours to go from Dubai to India by train. That's crazy. It'll transport people, oil, and other resources. Look at this. It's crazy, underwater. Big things are happening, man. You don't hear that in Western media. But this is happening right now. It's going to be crazy. Imagine you had the opportunity to be in the United States in 1950s. So that is India right now. It was not fun living in the United States in 1930s. It was really bad. We had the Great Depression. People were poor. Whatever the quality of life of Indian people was about 20, 30 years ago, that was the life of American people in 1930s. It was miserable, Depression. People couldn't even eat properly. The good times came after 1950. Between 1950 to 1980 was prosperous times. So look at that train, man. It's crazy. So this is the project going on. So they will have one train, one side, it'll be for people, and the other train, other side, will be to transport water. Because India has fresh water and Dubai don't have fresh water. Well, you got the idea, right? Isn't India big into BCH? Yes. Blake, thanks, bro. Sure. Dragon Chain hit all-time low a month ago, 0.005. Oh man, I forgot about Dragon Chain. Let's look at Dragon Chain. I have some Dragon Chain on a wallet. I won't be excited about this until we break this. You know, this will be a very challenging part to break here. This level, very challenging, you know. So if we pump to this level, let's say 8x, 9x pump, I don't think we'll be able to break it first time. We won't be able to break this because look at this. Resistance coming from the top and resistance coming from the sideways. So pumps like that, expect a dump, you know, before it goes up, if at all, if it goes up, you know. I don't have high hopes for Dragon Chain anymore, you know. If he's gonna pump, look, this chart, if I go to this chart, look at this. We're talking about, you know, crazy money here, stupid money. We're talking about stupid money. Then we're talking about Dragon Chain reaching in 2025 somewhere around $2.50. $2.50 would be crazy money. We're talking about Dragon Chain. If we are able to break this resistance and then break this channel, the channel is at 26 cents. 26 cents, top of the channel. You break that, and then you're able to achieve $2 to between $2 to $2.50 Dragon Chain. Tough task, but possible, brother. Possible. Break that, then man, I don't know. I have some Dragon Chain, you know. I put in, I think at the time I bought this was right here. Bought Dragon Chain somewhere around here at these prices, I think 0.03. So I'm down. It won't be worth anything right now for me, because from there it went down what, 90%. So it'll be peanuts. It'll be probably, I'll be lucky if I have, you know, $500 or $1,000 in it. I don't have much. The Mother Trucker, thanks for encouraging Epic. Sure, brother. Epic is awesome. I like it. Thanks, bro. I think you're right. I can't trade it on Uniswap. Just tried. Oh, Dragon Chain. Let me see which places have Dragon Chain. Used to be on KuCoin. It's no longer on KuCoin. It's on Gate.io. Yeah, man. If they stop trading, and then it's a dead crypto. You know what I mean? Sometimes you just have to, take the loss and forget about it, Yeah, might be dead. You don't know, bro. I don't know. I haven't checked for a long time. I have measly, very little amount of Dragon Chain. It's irrelevant. It's just, and if it happens. I have it. It's on a wallet though. I haven't even checked if that wallet supports Dragon Chain any longer. Ned, what city has the hottest Indian girls? Goa? Man, the ratio of beautiful women, I don't want to be the country's so highly populated, bro, right? So the ratio of hot women is, how should I say, Mumbai you would find good looking girls. Mumbai, Bangalore, then Delhi, Goa. Yeah, big cities you would find beautiful girls. But at the same time, what happens is the chances of you finding a feminist, a modern girl. When I say modern girl, a girl who smokes and drinks and behaves like a whore are there. The chances are really high you're meeting those kind of women. Not all of them again, but you can find good women. I'm not saying in big cities you don't find good women. Depends on their parents, what kind of upbringing their parents have. If the parents are liberal and very modern, when I say modern, that means they let their kids do whatever the fuck they want, then usually the girls are very feminist and they'll be like, bah, 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 like that, right? So if you want a good woman, then I would go to a small town. That's where you find good women who are nice and, polite. Very, they would take care of you. Someone, decent. But big cities, the girls will be, they're stupid people, right? People, what they see in television, they think it's reality. They watch a Kardashian, right? And they think everyone in the United States is beautiful, right? Or everyone behaves like Kardashians. Or they watch Jersey City and they think, okay, people are like that in the United States. No, it's not like that. Sometimes who's born in Indian girl who's born in the United States is more cultured than a girl who's born in India, because depending on the parentings, right? Their parent must be really liberal, very Americanized, and they'll be like, hey, they don't even speak their language. They would speak in English with their kids. Then that person would be very modern. There wouldn't be any difference between an American girl and that girl, right? But a family here who's in the United States still practice their religion and take their kids to temple and give them, good upbringing and give some culture back here, right? Then that kid would be much nicer. Depends, on their parents. But yeah, there are good women up there. You just have to look, just like anywhere. But the chances of finding good women is much higher in India as compared to United States. Here is just a whorehouse, bro. It's crazy. I don't have no more. I think it might be dead. I don't know. Okay, Blake. Yeah, I have to check mine too, man. I don't know where's my. I think I have. What's that wallet called? I forgot the wallet. Damn it. There are two wallets I have. Atomic and Exodus. I think it's on Exodus. I have to look it up. But I'm not worried. It's worth nothing, so I'm not worried. When it pumps like 20x, then I'll be thinking about Dragon Chain. Check, man. Let me check if I have something. I need to drink something. Give me a second. Whenever I feel like drinking alcohol, I drink sparkling water. That's my thing. When I go to bars and if I'm on a diet, I go to the bartender and I tell them that give me soda and put a splash of cranberry juice in it so that it feels like I'm drinking something, so that my friends or anybody don't bother me. But when I go to a bar, I just have a habit of sipping. I have to have something. If I drink beer or wine or something like that, I will get knocked out, bro. Because I constantly keep on sipping. This water is really good, by the way. It's from Costco. It's Italian spring water. Really good. Tastes good. Okay. I think it's almost 2 hours, bro. This was a long stream. I will take off. Okay? I will take off. You want me to stay or you want me to leave? We talked about world politics. India, talked about women, did everything, huh? This is not just a crypto channel, it's a manosphere channel, right? It's channel for bros, for money and honey. Oh boy. We are going to think about these days and laugh about it. That, man, there were times we were pulling our hair. It was so boring in crypto. Yeah. We will talk about it, man. I think tough times build character. If a person does not go through tough times in their lives, they're not as strong. You can see in their character. You can see, first, second generations usually work really hard, and the third one starts to have comfortable life. So they lose that character traits of a hunter, like that hunting, like go-getter kind of thing. They lose that drive. I've seen that. I used to, when I was really young, I used to think that my parents gave me everything, right? But sometimes you watch a movie and, extravagant life and you're like, oh man, I wish I had that, right? I'm really glad that I didn't have that, because you work towards it. You work hard to get that, to achieve that, right? And people already have that. They don't value it, and they don't have drive, so they would not work hard. So they would not, character. They would never experience those hardships, right? So their character is not built. KuCoin kind of blocked in USA now. Even when KYC, I think they let you get money out, but not in. No more. But you are able to trade on KuCoin. Okay. I went on KuCoin just a while ago, and it let me in. It let me trade. By the way, I had my first. Brian, thanks, brother. Catch everyone next time, boats and hoes. Blake, I think if you got money in it, it's good. Okay, I have money in it. I don't need to put more money on KuCoin. Yeah, I don't think you're able to get new money in it. So I have enough money in it. I don't want to put new money in KuCoin. Any KuCoin exchanges from Singapore, right? Like I feel comfortable putting money in United States exchanges like Kraken, Coinbase. Now I would put money in FTX as well if it launches. Whatever bad's got to happen. It already happened. It's not gonna happen again. I don't think so. So I was even thinking of buying FTT token because I think it's a good deal. That thing's gonna pump. I feel it's gonna pump. FTT token. When they relaunch, this thing's gonna pump. Any exchanges, they will encourage these exchanges in United States because they are from United States. United States like monopoly, right? So they will try. So I would not be surprised if this FTX at one time reaches $200 level. It's possible. It just sounds stupid right now. Just thinking about it, they'll be like, yeah, but at some point it can reach $200 to $230 level. I think so. Yep, $200, $230, yeah. Or FTX, even higher, but I'm being conservative. It's 100x, bro. That's crazy. What's the market cap for FTX right now? $23 million. Wow. No, there's no market cap. Sorry. Now I'm curious. $390 million. Still 390 million? This is the first time ever in my stream that I got run out of music. I think this was the last track.
wake up in the morning with someone new. I wanna do the things they say we shouldn't.
Michael.
In the morning with someone new. Live life like it's a prison. Break the
What are you saying? Michael Harbor, I love you. I will ambush your. What? I blow it like a candle. Oh man. Bro, you'll not find a straight man like me. Nothing against my homo friends, you know, it's okay. What do you do, you know?
I'm feeling stuck, and I don't know which way to run. I'm on a settled path, a one-way road, and I can't take it anymore. I started, I can't stop it, stop it, stop it. I'm done with feeling lonely, lonely, lonely. I know there's more than working, working, working. So go ahead and show me now. I wanna wake up in the morning.
What the fuck is this? What is this flex coin? Motherfucker, look at this.
Do I wanna wake up in the morning with someone new? Live life like it's a prison. Break the rules. I wanna wake up in the
What do you think? If it's able to, you know, get above this, then it'll be awesome, man. But usually, you know, there's another thing that happens. I call it an M pattern. M pattern is like this. When a crypto does that, then goes up, does this before going up, like that. So will it do an M pattern, or if this coin flex, if it goes above this and comes back down crashing like that, waste time here, then we are good. Then that means we are going up to the $7,000 level. Flex. Did I say 3,000, not 7,000? $3,000 level. What's the market cap? Bloody hell. $790 million already? This thing is not going anywhere. It's a scam. It's gonna dump. It'll come back down, you know, like that. Come back down like that, possibly. Before, you know, goes up. He nasty, bro. Well, yeah, people are people, bro. What can you do? Okay, I'll take off, man. It's more than 2 hours. I'll see you later. Have a good night, good morning, good afternoon, wherever you are on this beautiful planet, guys. See you tomorrow or day after tomorrow, whenever, if there's something exciting going on. Straight TV will bring it to you. Okay, later. Good night. It's, what time is it? Here in the United States, it's 9:13 right now. Time for me to watch some movies. I'll call some honeys. Okay, later.